Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink Ubisoft account from PlayStation. Alright, let's begin the video. First, open your web browser and visit ubisoft.com or go to Ubisoft Connect. For this process, we'll proceed via the browser. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the login button. Here, you can log in using your email and password or choose to log in with your PlayStation account credentials. After successfully logging into your account, click on your profile icon, typically found at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Management. You may need to wait briefly for the Account Management page to load. On the Account Management page, navigate to Account Information. You can find this option either directly on the page or through a navigation menu. Scroll down within the Account Information section until you reach the Linked Accounts area. Here, you'll see your PlayStation account listed if it's currently linked to your Ubisoft account. To unlink your PlayStation account, simply click on the Unlink button next to it. This action will disconnect your PlayStation account from your Ubisoft account. So that's basically how to unlink Ubisoft account from PlayStation. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.